So about 2 years ago, when TEMU came to my country, I made a video about it explaining, is this a glorified AliExpress? Is it like Amazon, eBay, and all that? And there were things I couldn't explain by then. Of course, their shipping, their dispute management, the quality of the goods itself. But after 2 years of pressure, I've finally been able to order some things from TEMU. I'm excited about this because at least I get to unbox it, touch the product, know whether they are up to the quality. And in this video, we're going to unbox this and I'm going to share with you who is TEMU meant for, what are the things you can get there, the things that you should avoid, and a lot more. So if you're ready, let's go unbox these things that I got, many of them for free, many of them through first time promo, many of them through discounts on TEMU, and let's see whether the quality is up to the match. Okay, so let's start quickly from the unboxing. I got about 3 free products or very discounted products, and then I have to buy one product that should be up to $25 to be able to, get the free product. So even if you're giving free product in TEMU, you don't get it till you, pay to installment. So this is the bag I got, and then I think I probably bought it worth about $20 or thereabout. It's not too strong, not of that high quality. I'll call it like 5/10, maybe thereabout. But yeah, let's go straight to the other ones. And I think I got TEMU right here because I was thinking I got a tablet. I didn't know until I went back to look, and it was like for Lenovo. What? Come on! I mean, why would I be buying a case? And this is what happens in TEMU, so much, because you have to look at the description. Where you hear for replica model, you are getting the wrong thing. And then the next one is this screwdriver set. I mean, it looked huge and bigger when I saw it in the picture. And the next thing you have to do here is you have to look at the description. I mean, if you look at the description, you look at the dimensions to be able to know exactly what you're buying and what will it be like. So who is TEMU meant for? TEMU have a lot of, value for money, a lot of entry level, I don't know, the qualities are not that top notch, and they don't have, direct original OEM branding, top branding there. So if you're buying something for your kids, maybe for your grandma, or somebody who's not going to worry about brand, that just needed value for what they're doing and don't care about whether it's the big brand or not, I think you can get some good deals from TEMU. And their shipping is quite fast. I mean, I ordered the same thing on AliExpress the same day. This one came in, AliExpress will come in 2 days after. And this is the final one we're going to check out for today. And this one is the earphone. Well, it looked good. It looked like the way it was in the picture. So I would say from the look and appearance, I should give it like 6/10 or 7/10. But how about the quality? When I listened to it, the sound quality was mediocre, and then maybe probably give it to a kid or a grandma or something, and they will still be happy with that. So finally, let me just share something for you here, because when you are thinking, how did I get a case instead of a tablet? Because this is the way it looks here. So when you see it, you are not going to see it here because I use the mobile app. You're not going to see it here. You're going to think it's a tablet because you are picking, pick other goods to complete, your offer, pick other free goods, and then you pick this thing. You look here, it says a tablet case, and sometimes it's tinier to look at on the mobile phone. So you have to make sure you look at the description before you select anything on TEMU. You have to go down, look at the description, because a lot of them can look, deceiving. And that. So, and not just the description, you also have to look at the dimension. I'm going to show you something quickly here about the dimension. So look at this miniature, or anytime you see something that is model, simulation, whatever it is, anytime you see it on TEMU, just know that this tricycle is just a model, a simulation for kids. So you're not going to expect to even buy a tricycle at that point. The third point also is for you to know the market value of the things you're looking for. But this one, this tablet here, the market value of it is close to what will get you a tablet in real life. So that's about that. And for me, you've learned who TEMU is made for, what you should expect. If you are somebody who's already good with OEM branding, you just have to avoid buying from TEMU because you're going to get replicas. If you're you want to get something for kids, toys, things, that will excite kids, probably won't last long, not the highest of quality, but good value for money, they have it. One thing I have against them is that some of their free promos and high discount products are just on the same niche. You keep seeing something like speakers, tablets, and some of these things. I wish they could expand, some of their free options and, kind of great discount to wider range. And I also hope and pray that they get in more original OEM from, they have a lot of them from China. So yeah, let me hear from you in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed this. Like, share, subscribe to get more. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace to our world. Subscribe. I'll see you.